Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage project timelines with Trello, full guide step by step clearly. Open Trello and create a new board for your project. Name the board according to your project's title. Start by adding lists to your board that represent different stages of your project. Consider using lists like to do, in progress, and done. Add cards to the to-do list for each task that needs to be completed. Include a detailed title and description for each card. Assign team members to each card based on their responsibilities. Set due dates for each task to establish clear deadlines. Use labels to categorize tasks by priority or type, making them easier to identify. Attach relevant files or links to each card for easy access to resources. Create checklists within cards for multi-step tasks. Drag and drop cards between lists as work progresses. Use the calendar view to visualize deadlines and ensure all tasks are on track. Regularly update the status of each card to reflect progress. Host weekly reviews to discuss the board and address any delays or challenges. Adjust timelines or resources as needed based on the ongoing project status. Encourage team members to leave comments on cards for collaboration and clarification. Utilize Trello Power UPS to enhance functionality with tools like Gantt charts or time tracking. Export your data periodically to keep historical records of your project timelines. Monitor trends over time to improve future project planning. Foster open communication with your team to keep everyone informed and engaged. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.